I'm liking how all of us just held our breath. Good.
Okay. That dowel is kind of hard.
Okay, thank God.
We just have to piece it back together.
Where's the other one?
Say it was a check.
H, and then it was too late, and then there she was.
It worked.
Here.
Want to do another small bud?
Maybe. Hold on.
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, Martha.
Oh my gosh, I can't get my where can you hold on? I can't get my hand under this. Yeah, they just they made it for It's free. It is a free wedding, not free wedding cake.
I can't bring a knife to school, I know.
Kari put his thing back in.
What?
The knife. And Maria was like, you cannot bring that.